Power Acoustik HD-14KIT Easy Harley-Dash-Upgrade with maps, CarPlay, GPS, and better audio.
Power Acoustik HD-14KIT is a direct replacement touchscreen head unit made specifically for 2014 and newer Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles. In simple terms, it replaces your outdated factory radio with a modern 7-inch waterproof screen that gives you navigation, music, calls, and control in one clean place. It plugs straight into your Harley's factory wiring, so there's no cutting, splicing, or guesswork. You get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for maps and music, built-in GPS when your phone has no signal, and Bluetooth for hands-free riding. Everything shows clearly on a bright, glove-friendly display designed for real riding conditions. It fits right into your dash and works with your handlebar controls, making every ride feel simpler and more connected. Imagine never fighting outdated tech on the road again.
Here's what changes immediately when you install Power Acoustik HD-14KIT. First, navigation becomes effortless. Big, clear maps sit right in your line of sight, whether you're using CarPlay, Android Auto, or the built-in GPS. Second, riding feels calmer. Calls, music, and directions stay hands-free through Bluetooth and handlebar controls, so your focus stays on the road. Third, you ride in any weather with confidence. The waterproof design is built to handle rain, heat, and long touring days without quitting. Fourth, sound quality improves. The built-in amplifier, equalizer, and clean outputs make your factory or upgraded speakers sound tighter and fuller. Fifth, installation saves you money and time. It's true plug-and-play, so you avoid dealer pricing and complicated installs. One quick question: what matters most on your rides right now? Easier navigation, better sound, or stress-free control? Before Power Acoustik HD-14KIT, most riders deal with the same frustration. You miss turns because the stock screen lags, your phone overheats on the bars, or you pull over just to change a playlist. Then the upgrade happens. You start the bike, the screen boots instantly, and your map is already waiting. One tap and your route appears, clear and readable even in sunlight. Music plays cleanly through your speakers, while calls come in hands-free, no fumbling required. On a long tour, cell service drops, but the built-in GPS keeps guiding you without stress. Rain hits, traffic builds, and nothing changes. You stay informed, relaxed, and moving forward. That's the moment it clicks. The bike feels newer, smarter, and built for modern touring instead of fighting it.
Don't just pick any motorcycle head unit. Make sure it has true plug-and-play Harley integration and real weatherproofing, so you never waste your time on compatibility issues or screen failures again. Power Acoustik's HD-14KIT is engineered specifically for 2014 and newer Harley touring models, which is why it works seamlessly with factory wiring, amplifiers, and handlebar controls. Riders report installs completed in an afternoon with no splicing. Long-term testers have logged thousands of miles in rain and heat without issues. Reviews consistently mention reliable CarPlay and Android Auto performance, plus the built-in GPS saving rides when cell service disappears. Compared to factory upgrades that cost thousands, this delivers the features riders actually use at a fraction of the price. Audio shops and touring riders alike call it the smartest middle ground between outdated stock systems and overpriced OEM replacements. Quick check: what would improve your rides more? Comment 1 for navigation, 2 for audio, 3 for all-weather reliability. If you're ready to make every ride simpler, safer, and more enjoyable, Power Acoustik HD-14KIT is the upgrade that just makes sense. It takes about 10 seconds to click the link in the description or pinned comment and see if it fits your Harley. No pressure, just clear info and real results. Modern navigation, better sound, and stress-free control are waiting. You've earned a setup that works with you, not against you. You deserve this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.